Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a new template to Reflect Notes, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Reflect Notes tutorial. Open Reflect Notes on your browser and look into your account. Click on the profile name on the bottom corner. Head over to Preferences and click on Note Templates. Here, click on the Add button template to add a new template. Here, type in your template name, for example, to do list. And here, you can add template sections. Like here in Journal, you can add some sections, Journal, and Grateful for working on. So you get the idea, guys. Here you can add your template sections. And here you also will find on your note templates all the available templates that are currently created on your Reflect Notes account. So I have the company template here, the company domain, the personal template. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful and easy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.